Ghana for a church obi bia ba J Ghana TV so. Ye mo bibia akwaba. Say ye kaya ene eye 9th May 2020 9th May 2020. Ene eye ye nua menkaya obi bia ya ye nua Bernard Nyarko dodo na nim se fe ne Bishop wo Kumawood movie mu. Oye Kumawood actor. Ene na eye ne 1 week. Menkai adofo ene abusuafo yawo. Ene ne na wotwe pepepa ye nua no. Nyame eto ne nsafre ne ye hwere ade kese e wo man Ghana mu. Na sani amamre city na wo se ne ye observing the 1 week. Enti abusuafo ye nhyehyeye e ma Ghana fo nyina agitu mu. Na n'adwumayefo ye filmfo nyina asoso gitu mu. Se ene ye nyina bekwa akohiem, but because of COVID-19 and as a coronavirus abawiase na Ghana ye nsoso ye ka ho no. Corona ninti no ama nipa bebre ene baaye but oman che a omo free ho. But kakra ye J Ghana TV ye nya omo ne yetimi ne omo twetwe nkomo ye nya omo awa ye cameras mo na ne ye pese ye dan ni na edi de chew se na de course ni na obi anka se filmfo no omo ama anase ye hu obi awase kanipa bebre pa na nke betimi ahia but se ye nim de ekoso Ghana any wiase nyina enti no ye ma ye few minutes ye filmfo nyina se ye mfa nhia enti no nipa bebre na ye hu omo mehwe videos and pictures ebe ya wa hwe pictures ya be hu nipa bebre wom me hu menua Vivian Jail me hu ye director Santiago nete wono director 1 me hu na Brown Diamond apia achire bruwa nipa bebre na hu na ya apia Bridget why nipa bebre Tina Green make us me bobo ade ebe sana asache adofo mu nyina ye nko ne nhwe videos ene de movie stars no mo yenya wo mo ne omkasa ande omo ka kire Ghana man ene J Ghana TV ahwefo nyina ye nko ne nkoti but memory mfi say subscribe to our channel subscribe we shut down ho abon say subscribe or e red me so press subscribe we are a bell na e wo no so bomode na press say be ya information bi e benya na say video bi e de beto no onso so benya na why informed no so we hu de eko me so me ma remfi subscribe na ye na yenya information na ya che ye nko ne nkotie videos ene interviews kakra yenya ye movie stars ne ne omo ye bra na dwumadie na koso program na nkasa main program no anche ni 30 minutes kra na after program no yetna baby kakra se be ya ye betimi edidi enkomo about eye no se ne be ya be ye no because of yare no enti no kwan ye be fa so a ye be ye eye no na o se yetna se we after the program interviews are ye ni
nya anu edu se ne ye betimi aye free ye betimi akosset ye betimi abe na mfofo ene ye ko eye say ye spend only 3 minutes ayenye yehu ye na mfofo ni bi ache nanso because of this nintino ye ntimi mmeo ti ye bom pa ye say by the end of this year no yenye
edu be sia na ye mamu ina ya akọ
yo
that's it is saying wow ade dia na esi
say ni ya de nyina aka be ye hu ni bi
na ye
no ne 1 week na
1 week na say wow and that out bishop wo no o fa na say
me de manje ndi
okay
because I'm for be free me catch me na be ka say you move
adaya
manje ndi manje
bi de hwe me de
na ye de so me say ma me na confirm say
we coronavirus
ye na o ka che Ghana ne
e corona o mo nshedi nyame na no de ma na oji ene ye ntimi nyame e ndi achi ere nyame asi o se bi kai pass na ma se nyame asi kana me se
okay ma corona do so dia na
obi an protecting us obi an share the mask video obi an share because we protecting but we share dia na am social media na protecting ma protecting
yeah pass ya wa share why sena let's say
ready at the moment
sena
yes
and you know
oh me wa Bishop Bernard
that one
1 week
out here, Bishop Maternal, what is saying?
Miss Yankasa, because Bishop said, Nehon so be an obey me anytime soon. Hence, you know, Miss especially not before we will economic post the video. So we know, I'm saying, oh my God. But I am a on the man oh meka she nyina yese yen hwede nyame on the man ono anso na oche ti nyame na agi na de ono na de ne ma ye no asaje na de ti enti mi ne ngocho na yen ya ka so yen hwe ye hu ye Thank you.
Let's say Charlie.
I'm out of my own.
Ain't now we?
You see, I'm Bishop Bernard Nyarko 1 week in a while. 1 week in a while, yeah.
Now, Bishop, that Ote, we know, more fun is saying.
It's easy because you know, you're better than you. I know, you don't come over by Fanaco, but to bend it, then would yes, sir. It is a union of the kind of yadia, but then you know, Tines and no, Yeniabre and easy, Yeniabre pa.
It's then I'll catch a gun for a bush of one film for you
make catch a gun for Yan shed Yena and Shaddy. And I'm a trainer bush of phone so beyond shedding because I didn't have a shedding. You put the same to me, Suda. Eh, they are better. Yes, from the Yena shedding. Now, I didn't do swap. Still, you should have back.
Okay, what we are seeing in the also part of the
oh, the media jam have for some good shop a baby to life. Oh, I would say,
yeah, we are the same. I just say,
ayo,
ada usu.
Me yesu anka mensu na nsu mesu emba.
I didn't see.
Oh. Ya brother pain, Bishop Bernard Nyarko. Wa film ayi ya bruta. Na eda miti owo no. Ya wo fufuo kura ma me mandi.
Wow.
Ya me ya fan. Chenzo ya me busuani.
Kafra.
Chenzo ya me busuani. Na de ya ne se, wo sika wo ni sika wo bewu. Eno na ya me dwen ga na ya me ya. Enti ye bo mpa ye se, ya me ya aduma edu ayi ni so ankasa. Ya baba aba tayi na chine bibia ye aye fanta bruta. Mediani Kupo so 1 aka Apostle Obejim.
Me fancy. What is any use no me fancy.
Me super antino. Famisi yawa.
Can be check Ghana.
Open kase. Ghana ebutu. Ghana ebutu. Omani na ebutu. Penion akwadao. Omana ebutu ama. If odishia e de tutudu. We na kase pa na tutu Ghana. If papa na we free no onim pani nim akwada. Papa ni nipa bia e hyenanum ko be yama wo. Papa ni nipa bia se wo hia papa na wo location so a ohun so no ankasa. Papa wo do kase de Ghana fo. Enti me tese papa na wo no me se me gini. Me se me yin se papa na wo. E ba nen ina pantumi wusa. Yenu ne said one me enkenka do kudu na opportunity. Adan ene yeni abo. Enti me sra ebusia me sra ne mami me sra ne papa me sra my Ghana we ye enye me firi ha eyo man ni na ne ti yeni gebia efiri yensa enti ne mami hia awechichire my Ghana hia awechichire if say me no kasai me ne papa na hia aye adwuma but na fotuo atibefu ama me sunya ne nie ya papa do tibiye if say owa brase edwo bia me nia ade ayira Ghana ya yira de ye huni piem
Shedding minya. Shedding.
Mr. me.
Yeah, fancy.
I'm gonna be panda.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's Bridget. Let's just say. Bridget, then I was this year.
I have a minimum. No, I can't.
Oh, yeah, then what?
Maybe Bishop Bernard Nyarko one way.
It's Bridget, I know correct. Sir Bishop. And out here, no one is saying, yeah, yeah.
And I said, we say, oh, tiny panic for the moment. I better say, we're free, we're there, we are the show back. Oh, but obeying it there. A walk right there and quite to me. See, a one person I may find the crowd in.
Yeah, now catch a Ghana money.
The person because of Bia and Shelly because they actually at the Casepa. And to say next month 26 in the June, man of better and Quack and manage.
That's a Bridget. That's a shedding. What? You go so, Yahushem. J Ghana TV soon ye say by nya stars ni bini na omakasa. Koso na ma wa fidie ne na ha. J Ghana TV. Yahushem say by nya popular stars ni bi. Known people ni bini na omakasa. Yahushem say by nya popular stars ni bi. Koso na ma wa fidie ne na ha. J Ghana TV soon ye say by nya stars ni bini na omakasa. Nana Brown.
Ayo.
I don't know.
Bishop Bernard Nyarko, maybe anything.
Wow. Only time on up here.
Boss.
That would say some didn't see.
Oh, you're real. You're real, pa. You're better. Yes, yes. 1 week now, it's why you go.
Diamond. Also, that all two news. What's anything?
Me very shocked because now I expect to say will be free. You move to say, but I mean no need the yen. So I mean pay baby papa and funny crans in my.
Wow. Then I'll catch a film for the Ghana money.
Movie industry for you now. My yen kind of boom. Nanta one tower be away and Tembiano. You forget because life is short. Wait till we are coming and fire and Cosibia. And Tiana and Kayan. Not a year than you do. I and what I wish you for nature and fair.
And a bra, a drew baby no. Now, Fay, Bruni Bessie mood no. Na, I are a horse now, say, and Jefferson, ye kai. Ye Bishop Nyarko, sembin near my grobia no dear. Ya actresses in the be a year, and I'll be who actually brew annoy my sexy. A near maybe a ye Bishop, a grana or near D. A bra, ye wo I see as anima, a rehorse so a by ye kai in ye. Very sexy.
Really? How you check me? Oh, Diamond, then I will
Video.
Oh, time. Why are you serious? I'm sexy.
I know, right?
We na ye actors and actresses no. Ye nya omoma omokae. You go so but memory if you say date na e be ye nua no ye dofo no eye 26 June eno na abusua e de bae 26th day of June next month I be sim June 26 26 ena ye nua Bernard Nyarko and as a friend Bishop ye be yi no na ye sie no na ehon tutue ene ehon ayi bi e bebe bia no Yebema J Ghana TV, I 4 any a TFO in our social arte. Date no 26 June 2020, next month. And I knew Bishop Nyarko, you know. The J Ghana TV, ye Jina movie for Ghana for any Bushia phone in a name, I catch ye TFO and say, ye knew Bishop. Yes, say, I may say, oh, mano, baby, pa entina my. On fanning share Abraham Makukum. The catch new Bishop and say, dem refer Due any amane Bishop, rest in peace, rest in perfect peace. Bishop, we will forever love you.